So let's talk about depression and anxiety. Depression is essentially when you are dwelling on the past, you are stuck in the past, you are extremely sad about what went wrong in the past, what might be going wrong right now, even. And anxiety, on the other hand, is when you are worried about the future, what might go wrong, the uncertainty, the fear about what's going to happen tomorrow. Both anxiety and depression keep you stuck in your head. They pull you away from the present moment. And the present moment is really all that we have. Everything happens in the present moment. Life happens in the present moment. So the idea is to get out of your head and get into your body. If you are at home, if you are isolating at home, if you are safe, if your family is safe, then just take a moment to express gratitude. It's okay to feel sad about what went wrong yesterday, and we really don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. So it's okay to feel anxious about tomorrow, but just take a moment to remind yourself, just for today, just in this moment, I'm fine, I'm alive, I'm safe, I'm healthy, I'm breathing, and just for today, I'm going to be okay. Saying this in your head or saying this out loud will pull you back into the present moment. And you might notice that throughout the day, you slip back into feeling sad or you slip back into feeling anxious several times. And that's okay. That's okay. Just know that you can always remind yourself that just for today, you're okay. Just for today, you're alive. Just for today, you will be fine. The best way to get out of your head is to actually engage in a physical activity. And at this point, any self-care activity will bring a lot of relief. So it doesn't matter what activity you do, just make sure you love doing that activity anyway. So whether it is exercising, gardening, baking, giving yourself a pedicure or a facial or a massage, whatever it might be, do that. And you don't have to do this activity for an hour or more. Even 5 minutes, even 10 minutes of doing this activity can bring a lot of relief. A calm body leads to a calm mind, and right now, a calm mind is what we all need. So try it, you have nothing to lose. Another thing I want to mention is that you want to slow down. Okay, we have a habit of overwhelming ourselves with tons and tons of information, and we also have a habit of multitasking. Multitasking will be perceived as a threat by your brain, and you don't want to give your brain any more threats. Right now, all of us have a lot on our plates anyway, right? So the idea is to slow it way down, do one thing at a time, and do it well. If you are feeling guilty about being safe at home while others outside are struggling, that's completely normal too. And in fact, it goes on to show that you're a good human being because you have empathy. Any act of service will really bring you a lot of peace and relief. Again, the idea is to get out of your head and get into your body, do something about it. And don't you for a second think that your contribution does not matter. It really does matter. So it doesn't matter if you're offering emotional support. It doesn't matter if you're offering financial support. The tiniest act of contribution can really change somebody else's life. You have no idea who you're helping, who you're inspiring. So do it. This will also bring you back to the present moment, and it will bring you a lot of relief. 100%. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next one. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.